My name is Angela Neave. My firm is Neave Family Law Group. I am the owner and managing partner, and we practice exclusively in the area of marital and family law. I work with business coaches that specifically coach attorneys, and my coach in particular had another family law attorney who was looking for a program like I was, and she downloaded Leap. I did a tutorial and was sold instantly, downloaded it, sometime in March. And then I've been using it ever since. Leap does, the database, and it does, you can have clients log in and pay, and it goes right to their account, and they can go in and look at the documents, and they can make comments and changes and things like that. It's allowing me to have my entire database in a cloud so I can work from home. My attorneys can work from home. They can work from another office. The remote installation process was ideal. I didn't have to stop working. I didn't lose any time. We could all log in. We could all do the training. And then, of course, Kathy, who is here in Florida, anytime I have a question over and above what I've been trained on, I call her up. I get the training that I need. Every time I get more training, I discover more things that Leap can do. Whatever it is that I need to do within the LEAP program, there are resources out there. I can click on the link, read the article. It takes me step by step, everything I need to do. So I can do it at 10 o'clock at night if that's when I'm working on the billing, or I can do it at 7 o'clock in the morning. Once they closed the courthouse, it kind of ground to a halt. Like that was just sort of the defining time where family law essentially shut down. I've still been working. I've still been doing mediations by Zoom, but no new cases came in the door for a couple of months. So the fact that I spent a lot more time figuring out my database, getting the database set up, getting it into a way that I wanted it to be, the timing was perfect. I don't need additional programs on top of it to do all of the things I need to do to provide the kind of service I want to give my clients. I have had attorneys call me and ask me about Leap, and I have told them, don't wait. Download it immediately, get it done, start working with it. I would recommend it to every law firm owner that I know.